it's me, Gattagrader again, and today we are going to be making another arts and crafts object. So today we are going to be making a shuriken. Do you know what a shuriken is? You might have seen this in many ninja videos, and a shuriken is kind of like a throwing star. Now so many people have been trying to make this on their own. I'm actually a bit good at making shurikens. My shurikens go out well. So I'm guessing that you will also want to make one. So I'm going to show you. I'm also going to show you how to make a dagger. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you why shurikens are better than daggers. So don't miss the end. So these are the things you need to make the shuriken. You need some popsicle sticks. I'm putting it in this pouch so that it doesn't get lost. You need a pair of scissors and a dagger. This is for comparison. I'll teach you how to make that later. And you need some tape, some glue, and two circle things that look like this for the middle of the shuriken. So the first thing we should start doing is we should take your glue and put it like this and paste the other one like this so that it glides nicely. If you use only one, it will bend quicker. Until this thing dries, I'm going to show you how to make the comparison, which is the dagger. If you already have made a shuriken or a throwing dagger before, then you can skip this part. But if you don't have, you can see. This is very easy. You only need 3 popsicle sticks. So after we took the popsicle sticks, get a piece of tape and cut it like this. You need this piece of tape like that. So then cut the circle edges and make something like this. Then up to this, paste it like this with the tape. So this is actually a full popsicle stick. These parts I cut it off and made it like a sharp edge. Okay, so our dagger is done right now. I'm just going to tape it a bit more here so that it's a bit more safer and this thing won't come out while moving. You can use it like not only as a ranged weapon, you can use it by nearby targets as well. So now let's move into the shuriken. This thing, yup, it's dried now. So now we are going to move into the shuriken. We have to make kind of like a frame of like a triangle shape, something like this. Make it 4 times. One here, one here, one here, and one here. So for each frame, I guess we'll need 2. So 2, 2, begins. We have to then paste it kind of like this. Now we are going to move into the shuriken. We have to make kind of like a frame of like a triangle shape, something like this. Make it 4 times. One here, one here, one here, and one here. So for each frame, I guess we'll need 2. So 2. 2 and 2. Okay. Now the hard part begins. We have to then paste it kind of like this. Actually, I think I've done it wrong. I think you have to tape the top first and then put it and tape. Yeah, that makes the work much more easier. Now you just have to tape it like this. Thank you, Amma. Oops. How did that get stuck there? So these are the materials that I found in my home to make shurikens. I usually make quite a lot of shurikens because I'm very interested in weapons that like weapons that you throw. And see, arts and crafts. I do arts and crafts daily, and I improve my throwing weapons. First, I started simple. I used paper. It got lost. So I thought, why don't I make another one? I made a second one with cardboard. That one went actually a success. That one went nicely. And then I decided, why don't I make one with full popsicle sticks? And yes, the thing was, it went well, but it breaks soon. It's not that durable. Anyway, look at this. This is so cool. And actually, this is quite big for shuriken. Anyway, see, I have to tell you one thing. This is nothing to do with violence. This is only for fun. See, I do not entertain and encourage violence at all. So, see, this is just for fun and to improve your creativity. Like, it's just for play, we act like an enemy is coming, and, if you see ninja movies, yes, the way how they throw the shurikens, we copy and throw at the imaginary enemy, which is actually thin air. And, yeah, I feel that's quite a lot of fun. These are the daggers, and the main result are shuriken. So I'll meet you downstairs and let's test these babies out. This actually doesn't look like a shuriken. If you have watched Naruto, you might know the demon wind shuriken. It's like a larger version of a shuriken. This is half the size of one. Oof. I'm absolutely amazed that actually survived. Wow, this thing is durable. So, before I came down to test it, I did not like it because it was just a plain flame. So that's why I just pasted some paper to make it look nice, and also it will glide a bit nicely. And I colored my, the dagger. It's super easy. All you have to do is cut 4 triangles like the size of the frame, and then paste them with a lot of tape, like put the tape like this round it, make it go round and round like that, and then cut it and paste it. You're done. Do that 4 times in all of the frames. I just made it like this to make it look good. So that's why if you don't want it, you can just leave it. Come on, let's test these out. Right? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 4. That's good. Yep, that's definitely a fail. Definitely. You know, that's how people run in Naruto. You know this? The Naruto weapon. Okay, now let's try again and see how fun this thing goes. Woo! That was quite a flying. Okay, let's check this now. Yup, total fail. The shuriken is much better, as you saw. Can you see the shuriken and can you see the dagger? Oh my god. The shuriken is all the way there and the dagger just fell down there. So anyway, I'll tell you what's the benefits why a shuriken is better than a dagger. So I hope you learned something new, how to make a good shuriken that goes quite far obviously. And yeah, please enjoy playing with it. Bye, it's me, Amazing Kid, and I'll